You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this dish from Denmark, originally meaning red groats. The Danish pronunciation is as Rødgrød, rødgrød med fløde, rødgrød med fløde, rødgrød med fløde. Therefore, in English, a bit difficult to say how you could pronounce it, but you could say rødgrød med fløde, rødgrød med fløde. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.